Picture this. Sir Roland is about to face the biggest, scariest dragon in the kingdom. But oh no, he left his shiny armor at home. So there he stands in his cozy pajamas and fuzzy slippers, looking totally silly. The dragon takes one look and starts laughing so hard that he gets the hiccups. Poor guy can't stop hiccuping and looking embarrassed. That's when Roland realizes the dragon isn't so scary after all. He runs over and gently pats the dragon's back, trying to help him feel better. After a few pats, the hiccups finally go away. The grateful dragon says, "Thanks, brave little friend." And Roland learns the coolest lesson ever. Real courage isn't about fancy armor. It's about having a kind heart